Hi, I'm Dr. Dina Ricco, Clinical Assistant Professor in the Integrative Behavioral Health Clinical Training Center at the University of North Florida. In this brief presentation, I'll tell you a little bit about my background, connect my enthusiasm for this work, introduce components of the Integrative Behavioral Health Counseling Our Communities Intern workshop, and share comments from interns who have completed the workshop. I'm a licensed mental health counselor and registered art therapist with over 30 years of experience in various clinical and instructional settings. Before joining the IBH team, I worked for 8 years at the UNF Counseling Center as a mental health counselor and coordinator of art therapy services. I find it incredibly meaningful to share my experience and support interns in community mental health. The combination of seasoned therapists and interns is always a powerful one, because of the advantage of the wisdom acquired through long-term development of clinical skills, paired with the enthusiasm and connection to all that is new and innovative in the field that interns bring. One intern who completed the workshop shared how much she loved it. She told us she kept the artwork she made during the in-person experiential part of the workshop to remind her of the feelings it inspired in her. This workshop is well suited for master's level students in mental health disciplines such as clinical mental health counseling, social work, community psychology, and public health, or post-bachelor behavioral healthcare employees working in community mental health agencies, ideally working in a Jack's Perch collaborative member agency. The workshop targets knowledge, attitudes, and behaviors necessary for success in public and private community mental health centers by introducing the Perch Foundation of Clinical Practice. Here's a quote from an intern who completed the workshop at one of our partner agencies. "I love working in SMA healthcare because of the people I work with and the training opportunities they provide, especially the workshop from UNF, which had very valuable information." The Perch model was developed by Dr. Carleen Taylor, director of the IBH CTC. It spans from prevention and early intervention to impede the development of more serious illnesses to building resiliency through the integration of counseling and holistic health practices. Essentially, the Perch philosophy used within the workshop aims to prepare participants to treat the whole person and the systems in which they live, work, and play. The workshop is the first step for students interested in exploring integrative behavioral health strategies. Once students complete the workshop, other experiential learning activities, mentoring, and cohort meetups are offered with the IBH clinical faculty. Another quote from an intern who completed the workshop: "I enjoyed the in-person experiential part of the Counseling Our Communities workshop from UNF, where I had the opportunity to learn about creativity in counseling and animal-assisted services and therapy. The online information was also very helpful. I was already able to use some creative interventions with several of my clients. It's great to put these concepts into practice." This 30-hour hybrid workshop includes 22 hours of distance learning and 8 hours in a live experiential workshop session practicing interactive and holistic health interventions, such as creativity in counseling, animal-assisted services in counseling, mindfulness, and exercise and nutrition as medicine. The online portion of the workshop consists of 4 learning modules that expand on these alternative practices. The modules also provide information on building a community of connection and support, the Perch theoretical model and how it fits with other theoretical approaches, how to bridge theory into practice, and practice management skills. This workshop provides an introductory level of competence in integrated and integrative behavioral health practices suitable for post-baccalaureate students and master's level students entering or working in community mental health agencies as clinicians. Each person completing the workshop will receive a digital badge to advertise their level of training. The IBH clinical faculty aspires to create a supportive community for our interns and community partners, fostering collaboration and shared resources. We strive to provide creative opportunities for students to develop their personal mission as they help others through clinical services, connecting deeply with their needs. We encourage commitment to integrating holistic practices alongside traditional medical approaches, enhancing efficacy, resilience, and provider satisfaction. Our goal is that with our support, interns step into community agency settings with professionalism and confidence. We strive to help interns connect the art of intake, informed consent, and rapport building with the science of assessment, case conceptualization, and diagnosis. We help interns recognize the importance of interpreting the narrative story into clinical thought and language. Enrollment is open to anyone who has achieved a post-baccalaureate degree and is working in a community behavioral health setting or current master's student in behavioral health disciplines from any university in any geographic location. This includes students in programs such as clinical mental health counseling, Masters of Social Work, community psychology, and public health. Continued participation in the Integrative Behavioral Health Clinical Training Center equips clinicians with the knowledge and expertise to integrate specialty practices and collaborate with the medical and wellness community to administer a holistic healthcare plan targeting the needs of individuals and families. Another quote from one of our interns: "I've learned so much about integrative behavioral health, especially animal-assisted services and expressive arts therapy. I want to keep learning about these and other advanced specialty practices, so I'll be applying for the IBH certificate program at UNF. I'm so glad that SMA is a community partner with this program so that I can continue to advance my career while putting what I learn to work every day for my clients." Applications are accepted throughout the year. Students may register for the next forming cohort by following the link on our website. The Counseling Our Communities online curriculum is hosted by UNF's Division of Continuing Education, which handles registration and provides certificates and digital badges upon completion. Cohort engagement runs from July 1st through June 30th. Workshops are offered during the fall semester. If this information interests you and aligns with your personal and professional goals, we hope you will fill out an application so we can reach out and talk with you. Thank you for listening. We hope to hear from you soon.